Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Clayton here at Zappos.com, and today we're checking out the S-Lab Sense 7 SG from Salomon. This awesome trail running shoe is built for the neutral runner with lightweight, flexible response and a 4mm heel-to-toe drop. You've got the awesome open mesh upper with seamless SENSIFIT overlays for a secure, comfortable fit. And check it out, guys. The QUICKLACE system up here at the top is a one-pull system, and then you just store it away in that lace pocket there so it doesn't come out while you're running. Got the Gusseted tongue, and inside the ENDOFIT internal sleeve is going to hug the foot in all the right places for improved feedback. Got a comfortable textile lining, and down inside that insole, gonna have some extra underfoot comfort while still keeping it super lightweight. You've got the very flexible, dual density compressed EVA midsole that's gonna provide you with lightweight cushion and lots of support. And underneath, we've got the premium wet traction Contagrip outsole with aggressive multi-directional lugs to give you exceptional grip even in wet conditions. So you'll be crossing that finish line with nobody in front of you when you pick up these awesome shoes from Salomon.